Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the track with the audio you want to change. Once selected, enable Flex on the track header and choose Flex Pitch. This lets Logic analyze pitch data. Then double-click the region to open the audio track editor so you can see pitch segments. Make a quick duplicate of the region as a safety copy. This initial setup gives you non-destructive control and accurate visual feedback, which speeds later edits and prevents accidental data loss. Now work note by note. Click a blob and drag it vertically to move pitch in semitones or fine-tune in cents. Use the pitch drift handle to correct unstable transitions and apply the pitch correction slider for consistent tuning without flattening expression. When you transpose upward or downward more than 2 semitones, make sure to tweak the formant control to keep timbre natural. Otherwise, vocals can sound chipmunky or muffled. Once done with edits, play the section repeatedly and make micro adjustments for musical results. Finish by listening in the context of the full mix. Automate any gain or wet/dry balance so the corrected part sits naturally. When satisfied, bounce the track or export the project with your chosen sample rate and bit depth. If you hear artifacts, glitches, robotic timbre, or timing issues, reduce the correction intensity or reopen the original region and correct only the offending notes, or consider re-recording that phrase. This targeted approach preserves performance feel while eliminating tuning problems, keeping the track musical and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.